gagawin natin? Anong gagawin? We're gonna mix. Pagsasamahin natin yung dalawang color, yung red and yellow. Sige, go. Mix. Okay, when we mix yellow and red, it makes what color na yan? Anong color na yan? It makes orange. Go. Go, mix.
Red.
Red and yellow. Red and yellow mix.
Your hands up. May pang-yellow pa. Sige, sige.
Mama, sino yan?
Yan.